Welcome to Life in Guyana. Like, comment, and subscribe.
How much is for one?
You got 200, 300, 400, 500.
Okay. Let's do 200 for 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people.
4 people.
Guys, save your money, okay? I'll buy for you guys. No worries. How you doing, my friend? What's your name? Hey, auntie, you want a snow cone? Okay.
So, you know, buy none for me?
Buddy, you can make yourself one.
Yeah, I'm working, man. You go sit
Well, I'm supporting the hustle, right? I'm here buying for all the kids, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You probably shouldn't even be having sugar. For mine's, mine's put a little bit, just a little bit. The last one would be a little bit. That's good, that's good, that's good. Wonderful. Here you go. Thank you, my friend. This guy's trying to get the whole family to come out now.
Yeah, get it. Hey,
hey, buddy.
All the grandmother, grandfather, everybody.
You might as well call the whole of Guyana, bro.
Thank you, man. How are you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Where you guys from, man?
I'm from Canada, but I was born here, coming back after 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
Number 2 canal.
Yes. Well, my family, everybody's from here, but I grew up with my mom in number 1. But this feels like home. This whole strip right here.
It's home.
Yes.
So you're back home.
Oh yeah.
For the holiday, I come to live back and stay back.
Okay, I'll shoot it up. Let's finish this and I'll shoot it up. So you, my little friend, you go to school too? No, not yet, right? Okay, so what, you just stay home and play? Run around the yard? Chase chickens and stuff? I met a guy on a motorbike and I jumped on from the back over there and he took me all the way to number 1. So that's where I grew up. Yeah, but they broke down the house and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
We went there. Remember? Sometimes we just walk.
Oh wow. Yeah. So the dirt dam, right? With all the green grass that's high and stuff, right? And then you have a little dam with the heavy flow. You could turn it to adjust it, right? Yeah. I've been over there. Okay. Yeah. You got good stamina. You can ride from all the way over there, huh? Yeah. Wow, my friend.
This road down till Buxton.
Yeah. Okay. So does it only just connect to number 1 or it goes further more?
No, number 1.
Just number 1? Oh, okay. And you guys have friends all around from number 1 to number 2 or just over here?
Yes, over here.
Oh, okay. You guys are living the good life, man. You guys really are. All right, you ready? Yeah. All right, look up.
I hear the sun and the cloud. Where are we there though?
We're far. We're far. Yeah. Okay. All right, little boy. Here, hold it. Wait, let me see.
You see? What are you doing there though?
Here.
They're upside down. They're upside down.
Oh, it's upside down. Yeah.
You watch your road, right?
Okay.
What do you see?
All right.
I see a bird. A bird? Yeah, bird like the top like that. The next board. I see IDs.
All right, let me see now.
IDs are right here.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. He was pointed towards us.
Wait, come on this way.
Bring it back? Okay.
That thing is far. Why you see that far? Why you see sky?
Yeah, I was letting the little kids fly the drones and stuff, you know. My name is Chris, by the way, from Canada. I just came back to visit. I'm actually Guyanese, but yeah. So my auntie. Oh, there you go. What's up, buddy? Look at my little friends.
Okay.
Yeah, I let them fly the drone.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, for the first time, they were so amazed.
Right. I got over here.
Yeah, which is Auntie Nandi's house?
Great.
Auntie Nandi's house.
Look at.
The one with the flag in front?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna take them over there. We're gonna pick some fruits.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come. There's a few red cherries. You guys come take. Everybody have one.
What's more than
Yeah.
I love this.
Nice. Cheers, guys. God bless you all. Nice. Little boy, you get one too? Here, come. I have a nice red one for you. Here. Amazing. Mm-hmm.
But don't eat cashew. Don't eat cashew. No. I think you have to get this one too. Let's get that for the cashew.
I was wondering what the hell that was. There was an ant biting me.
I'm the over here. Yeah, we're by the ant place. Oh, right, we got cashew that way.
Okay.
This one is got.
Is there any cashews on that tree though? No.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
You see? Yeah, let's see.
Take your time. Take your time. No rush.
That dog, don't.
Let me hold it. Go.
You don't go with the dog.
Go, go, go.
Look at my slipper.
Okay. I might have to duck too. Somebody might have to hold this thing for me. Hold it maybe. Okay. Am I good?
Yeah. Yeah, Lord, okay.
Hello. Oh man, that's too.
Hi.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, wait, don't shake it. What? Go over now.
Okay.
Watch yourself, here.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Go on his back.
Come on my back.
Wait, this is the guy for me. Go weird, What?
Okay, you hold on tight.
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight. Hug me, yeah. Okay.
What's your button over there? What you got here?
Where?
Here.
Okay, come.
Right here. Me the drum there.
Well, this side is deep, okay, guys? That side is not that deep. Who wants to go first? Nice, good job.
Right there, jump right there, because this is hard.
You ready?
Sure. No
All right.
fall overboard, no?
I don't know how to swim, okay?
Imito back. Jump.
Yeah. Nice.
Yay, he did it. Watch the uncle, hold him back. Deep top.
Yeah. Don't throw. Yeah.
Me go over. You go over. I go over. Somebody give one. Listen. Give me. Straight over.
Yeah. Okay. Come here, buddy. Before you hurt yourself. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. You're so happy today. This is the happiest. Nice. Good boy.
Me just there's two big cashew there.
Where?
That's right there.
Oh wow, we're looking at that tree when there's trees here. Okay.
Yeah. You want?
Oh, hold on. Before you pick them, I want to take a video of you picking them. Okay, that's okay. Nice, good job.
Please.
Amazing. And put one hand up in there and hold that one too. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Please.
I can't see that cashew. Let me break that leaf off. Oh, okay, yeah. We'll just leave it there.
Well, you can stay right here. So.
Yeah.
For your leg though, we actually for your leg though.
Amazing, good job.
Give me the big one. Give me the big one.
Yeah.
We still got.
Okay, how about we pick first and then we eat after? Yeah? Okay.
Good. What's already?
That one's gonna be yours, okay? Here, give me the bag.
This bag heavy, but
Mhm.
that's on with it.
Alright, so we're gonna do on this tree?
That tree.
Okay.
That tree over there.
Alright.
Cherry. The tree. Yeah, right over there.
Yeah, okay.
What there? What's up there? What's
Okay.
up there?
Yeah. Okay, little boy, you okay? Be careful. Yeah. Bring him over here, yeah. Is he gonna stay here? Okay. Alright, be careful, there might be stuff. Alright. Guys, I put the backpack here, so remember, alright? Wow.
I want to sit on
You wanna sit down?
yeah. I just sit on right in the grass for fluffy. And this little puppy go right. Oh, I'm gonna sit on right here. Just like there. Hey, you naked? Yeah.
What? Okay, I'll catch. Hold on. Okay. Me and you are gonna catch?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh,
Go.
let me video you catch.
Oh. Okay, let's do that again. Hold on.
Come.
Wait.
Ready?
I wanna catch one. Alright. Nice.
Come video.
Bro, this is so amazing. I love you guys. Good boy.
5 there? 5
Ah.
there? Which one have 5?
No, look, I have more days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days. Every day I come and see you guys, okay?
Oh shit, I what am I like, don't I? Yeah, hold up that you can actually do it. It's my foot broken, no? Foot broke, boy. He broke. I mean, man, let's see broke.
My little brother. What's your name again?
Dada. Johnson.
Yeah.
Me give me little brother by Mora, no? Me give me little brother. Why gonna me go makyara dare?
What, the dog? I can't take the dog with me. I was just joking. I wish I could take this little puppy with me. Little boy, you hold the dog.
Okay. Throw.
Okay, throw. Nice.
6.
Good job.
That's 2.
Uh-huh.
6.
How was that 6? That's 3.
That's 3.
Yes. Ooh! And that's 4.
That's 4.
Yeah.
You coming there, throw.
And that's 5.
That's
Yes.
5.
All right. I think that's good enough, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
okay.
got the cherry.
Cherry? Okay, all right.
Mom, we got a cross over back road.
Uh-huh.
Watch it, it's a big puppy thing. We can jump overboard. You want me build a pool here? Yeah? Goodbye now.
Yes. Nice.
What's somebody make a thing there? The password on there.
And then you stand right there. And maybe you can get the dog to look at us.
Dog right.
Hey, you look at the camera as well.
Cheese.
Look into the camera, yeah? Hey, buddy. You. Look into the camera.
Oh.
Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, hold the dog just like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Hey, look up. Good job. All right, guys.
This one we eat so.
Okay, where you guys want to go next?
What you got here?
All right, let's see. Okay. Can we make it back over there?
No, that's too big. This one is too big.
It's too deep?
Yeah.
Too big? Okay. We got breadfruit tree. All right. I have another yard that's maybe 2 houses down that we can go. And we all can climb that tree. Okay, come. Hey, buddy. Come here. Okay. All right. Who wants to lead the way? Okay. No, I think your big sister should lead the way. Yeah. You should be in the middle.
And you daddy back, because you didn't know.
Yeah, I'll be in the back. You guys lead me. You guys know better than I do. And then the dog gonna follow.
Oh shit, one. There is that one first. I got it. Bye, walk, bye.
Wow, this is amazing. You guys are having fun?
Yeah.
Nice. If I lived there, we'd be doing this every day.
We love junk food. We like apple.
Wow, home cooked food? What he say? He don't like what?
Junk food.
Oh.
Like.
Yo, here, you wear the bag. I want to piggyback this guy all the way through. You jump on my back. And you're going to take the video?
Yeah.
Okay. You know how to video?
Yeah,
So you hold this and then you see the thing going around. And then when you're done, then you let go of it, okay?
Somebody hold slipper.
Yeah, I'll wear the slipper now. Oh, you want a slipper?
Yeah,
Okay, wear it. You come on my back.
and you go high see over.
Yeah. This your first time using iPhone? Let me see you use it. So you see? It's spinning, right? So it's recording. Okay, nice. And then when you let go, it stops, you know? Yeah. Okay, don't start it yet.
Yeah, we hold the iPhone yet.
Oh, really?
But we like hold the normal one.
Nice. All right. You comfortable, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, you trust me, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. I'll keep you safe. You record now.
Yeah. Get my gadget. Go! You made it! Ache! You made it!
Hey.
Ache, get this slipper.
Okay. All right. Here, give me the phone.
You can put
Yeah.
it in.
Okay.
Put it in. Let me sit down. That one thing I carry.
Yeah.
Don't fall in, don't
Yeah.
I tell you. So this you could damage your phone.
No, he's good. I trust him.
Ready?
Hey, buddy. Good job.
Stand back this now.
Yeah.
Let me get the phone
Okay.
in my pocket.
And we got a bag of cashews. This is absolutely
You
amazing.
can't have the phone though.
Yeah.
And I can't have the iPhone.
Oh, there's an ant on my leg. Can you wipe it off?
Get enough here, so silly, you know.
Okay.
Tell what ants bite you getting red. Yeah. Watch your ants there.
Oh, get it off. Get it off. Get it off.
You like pinch them up.
You're lucky I don't eat them. All right.
There you go.
What's the best way out of here?
Hey, where is this from?
Okay.
Here, do we go one?
Okay. You push, if there's branches in the way, you push them out the way, okay?
We go push them.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go, buddy.
But all the bars is fine.
Yeah.
Really fast is fine. Look in the wind slipper.
Mm-hmm.
Voilà, I can wear slipper. We're gonna need cherry, I'll need cherry then.
Yeah. Okay, here's the difficult part. Well, for me at least. Okay. All right. All right. Go. Be careful. Take your time.
Me now each over.
Okay. Oh, Lee, these ants. They're eating me up.
Wait, you not come here so high? Okay. What's the little roll that here for spot?
I'll do this again.
Let me hold it up.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Try to hold it up, please. If we get tingle up.
Yeah. Yeah,
We
yeah.
won't get tear.
Yeah, that's okay. Wonderful, guys. Good job.
You got it back here? Somebody got high to me, got it thing. My hand full.
That's okay. You still feel them? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, come.
We can scratch yourself.
Okay, okay. I don't see any.
Scratch if you're going to get red.
All right, I think you're good, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Come, you want me to lift you or?
Yeah.
Okay, come.
I see you.
Let's go. Where's the little puppy? Oh, okay. Oh, oh, I see it. Guys, be careful. There's like a rose bush. It's- yeah, be careful. Come on. All right. Who want to record? You want to record? Yeah. All right. This guy's loving the iPhone. All right, you're the photographer for today. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I walk up.
All right. Try to get the little puppy too. Hold on tight.
Little puppy. Yeah, the food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the food. I don't see any good.
Hold on tight. Okay, maybe we can go to my other aunt's yard, and that cashew tree is easy accessible, so we all can climb it easily.
Yeah, so my friend John.
Yeah.
You ever eat this thing with his mom?
Yes. You tried it before?
Yeah.
Nice.
You tried it already?
Yeah.
You still there?
So we have the puppy, we have the other dog, we have the backpack. All of us are good. And we have the slippers too, right? Okay.
Is it walk one?
Yeah, this way. Good boy.
Okay, clear. I'll just send you home. Such a good.
Yeah.
Very good. Don't they have yours?
Where? Yeah. You guys had fun?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now you guys can take home some cashew to your mom. Oh yeah. Tomorrow I come see you guys every day before I leave, okay? Yeah. I'll come back maybe in April. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just don't forget me by then. When I come back and I knock on the door, don't lock the door on me. I'm really sorry, but I forget. I'll write it down. Don't worry. Cause I don't wanna forget you guys either. Yeah. Yeah, let's stand underneath the breadfruit tree. Where? Lift foot up. Lift your foot up. Lift it up. Good boy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys have so much stuff to take home to give your mom now.
What is it?
Yeah. Alright. You had fun?
Yeah.
Nice. I would have thought you guys would be having fun every day like this because you guys live in Guyana.
We friended this school, but then this stuff out. Then the slip to number one, so the Lagrange. Watch this little window. Let me take so many.
Oh, he took it.
Oh, he gone.
Yeah, he gone with it.
Let me tell you,
Let me try one more piece. Tomorrow I'll come with better bait, okay?
yeah. Look like a big one too.
They're smart, huh?
Yeah, now what them a trouble.
Yeah.
Bro, give me this. Don't say bring me this. Right down there. Watch it. Pull along this thing.
Yeah, pull it down. Let the heavens and the nations sing. Wait, why are you gonna cry? Huh? Why are you gonna cry?
Keep me company.
Aw, that's okay. I gotta leave you guys with the bicycle.
That's what my con today when you go back.
Ah, shit. Alright, buddy.
That's when it hit me like, on board with a slide.